Hey there, John Hooks here, and welcome to my review of Catalyst. We are going to talk about this here in a little bit, but first we need to get over to my bonus page where you'll be able to access additional information and my bonuses and prices. So from YouTube, beneath this video, click on the link that says get my exclusive bonuses and Catalyst here, and click on that link and it'll take you to this very page that we're starting off right now. All right, so Catalyst 184-day case study shows how that's the creator, Robin Palmer, piggybacked on the world's biggest traffic source by copy and pasting a simple line of text. Okay, so we're going to go through this a little bit. We're going to hear from him as a walkthrough of the program itself. I have some fantastic bonuses that we're going to talk about and what it's going to cost. So let's go ahead and continue on with what Catalyst is all about. Catalyst is a one-of-a-kind system that has taken years of development and fine-tuning. It works by piggybacking the world's biggest traffic source, legally funneling thousands of daily visitors. Very few people know how to do this, meaning they're leaving money on the table, and lots of it. Catalyst is our never-seen-before program that allows anyone, anywhere, regardless of background, skill, or experience, to succeed online and get their very own six-figure business. And from the words of Robin Palmer, hi, my name is Robin Palmer, and now is your chance to find out exactly how I made it online. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it too, step by step. I'm a six-figure business. I run a six-figure business that has already generated over $400,000, and the best thing, I can do it from anywhere. All right, so before we get into the prices, let's go over and hear from Robin here.
Hi, my name is Robin Palmer, and let me show you the results that we're getting with Catalyst. This amount here, that's the amount that I earned using this specific method. And it's a very simple method. Once it's in place, it's basically pretty passive. As an experienced affiliate marketer, I know how hard it can be to get the ball rolling with your online business. We're talking websites, squeeze pages, list building, follow-up emails, codes, funnels, EPCs, traffic, split testing. Enough to drive any newbie crazy. No wonder 95% of people simply give up. In fact, I get hundreds of emails from struggling newbies telling me, how can I make an extra consistent $100 per day without any complications? It's a simple method that allows me to pay my bills. Well, I've listened to you and I'm proud to offer you a solution. A simple system that can make you a consistent $100 per day without any tech skills. Introducing Catalyst. Catalyst is a one-of-a-kind system that we spend tons of time developing and fine-tuning. It works by piggybacking the world's biggest traffic source, legally funneling thousands of visitors each day. And very few people know about this. Now, this means that people are leaving money on the table, and lots of it. And this is where you come in, and you're going to be taking that money from the table. You see, by inserting your links, you can reroute that traffic anywhere you want. High ticket offers, affiliate offers, CPA offers, e-com products, Amazon products, list building squeeze pages, local businesses, to any link that you want. All without the need for video creation, article creation, selling on Fiverr, paid traffic, Facebook groups, funnels, or any of the other usual stuff that even smell techy. And the cool thing is that you don't even need to be a native English speaker to do this. It seriously doesn't get any easier than this. You see, someone else has already created this system that gets you daily visitors, thousands of visitors, for you to easily monetize in a matter of minutes. This is 100% painless and easy. You can even stay totally anonymous if you want to. Now, this is a system that I discovered while searching for a way to generate high-ticket sales on demand. I was already getting results, but I wanted something that I could deploy fast, activate, like right now. That's when I thought this is perfect for you if you don't want to put yourself out there, which is why I think this is a perfect course for you if you want to make thousands per day while remaining anonymous. It's also great for non-native English speakers who are not confident on camera or with the writing or grammar skills, or anyone who is still lost, confused, or just don't know where to start. So this is how it works. You select a product, which we're going to be showing you how. You plug in your link into the system, and step number 3, you're going to be seeing traffic coming in fast. What's inside of Catalyst? You're going to find a step-by-step system that shows you how to implement everything from A to C, and a software that makes it this simple, eliminating almost all of the hard work for you. Plus advanced traffic training strategies taught by myself. Now, there's no excuse to not make good money online. Start making money regardless of your native language, your skills, and remain totally anonymous and invisible, if you want to call it that way. If I can do this, you can do this. Once you have the system set up, you can start living your life.
So what do you think about that? Now, you know, are you going to make $184 a day every day? No. You know, some days you'll make zero. I don't know if you remember seeing in the video where he was showing you his numbers through Warrior Plus. It had a very, you know, low opt-in conversion rate, you know, so, but you do get tons of traffic. And so with that, you're going to have great days and you're going to have not great days. So you may have several $100s, you know, in a day, and you may have some days where nothing comes through for you. But that's the average. So what is this going to cost you? So the front end is $17. Now there is a discount that you can use at checkout. Use the code CAT5. That will give you a $5 discount to make your total cost $12. And that includes the step-by-step training showing you how to implement the Catalyst method from A to Z, software that makes it dead simple, eliminating almost all of the hard work. Okay, and then there are a number of one-time offers. You have the Catalyst Unlimited for $47 or $27 on the downsell. You know, unlimited everything. With this upgrade, you'll be able to unlock more traffic. Also included is Limitless, our full training course on how to sell on Amazon to make $100,000 a year. All right, OTO number 2, Catalyst done for you, $97 or $47 on the downsell. Join our weekly mastermind calls and skyrocket your results and actually done with you. OTO number 3, the Catalyst Unlimited Traffic for $197 or $98 on the downsell, $98.50. So you can siphon Robin's high targeted traffic for more profits. Users get direct access to our audience by placing pixels on our sales pages for the next year. All right, and OTO number 4, Catalyst Reseller Rights for $98 on the downsell. You get 100% commissions throughout the entire funnel. Here, sell Catalyst as if it's your own, you know, and you're going to keep all of the commissions. All right, so important benefits for you to know. Little known loophole, pure profits, piggybacking on the world's biggest websites. The more I copy and paste, the more money I make. Leading edge software, no more than 30 minutes work a day, the exact same system I used to make over $5,500 in a month. Pulls clicks from a practically unknown loophole for passive commissions. Simple setup and no tech skills required. Comes with a 100% money back guarantee. And of course, you can click any of the blue banners that you've seen on my page here to go ahead and secure your copy. Now, I did mention that I had some great bonuses for you to start off with. I have a digital download version, flip book of Internet Marketing A to Z. Bonus number 2, I'm going to give you some traffic, 5,000 visitors plus 2,500 text ads plus 2,500 banner impressions that you can send to any URL or offer that you want. Bonus number 3 is Accelerate. This Accelerate system, guaranteed me $1,000 days without having to spend a dime. Bonus number 4 is the monthly income system. All right, and bonus number 5 are the bonuses that Robin and Catalyst have passed on through me, you know, to pass on to you when you pick up Catalyst through any of my banners today. All right, and that's pretty much it. It's sold on the Warrior Plus platform. You're probably familiar with that. Once you get to your purchases page, you'll click on the green button to access Catalyst and the vendor bonuses, and you'll click on the blue button to access the bonuses I showed you that I will be giving you today. that pretty much wraps up. Please let me go ahead and ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do that thumbs up and find that alert bell if you please. And I want to take the time to thank you for taking your time to watch my review, the walkthrough from Robin, my bonuses that I'm offering you when you pick it up today. And as always, to your success.